Okay, thank you very much for your invitation. My lecture is redefining the nature of work in the new digital environment. The fourth industrial revolution undoubtedly marks a new era, both for business, whatever their size, in their constant effort to adapt and transform in the new digital environment, and for the context of labor relations, which are being reshaped in the need to familiarize themselves with new work rhythms and required specialization skills on the part of workers in terms of the means of production, in addition to the production process and project actors. Importance is now being attached to the intangible, intelligent, innovative, and differentiated idea, as this is what adds value to the company. On the other hand, faster and more efficient production is more likely to be achieved through the specialization of workers and machinery. The redefinition of the nature of work ultimately provides value and harmoniously connects people, machines, and modern technology. The flexibility and adaptability of the organization, the resilience and consciousness of its employees constitute unchanging virtues and characteristics of a modern management that looks to the future, the day after, with well-founded hope and optimism, with no narrowly conceived established patterns of linear thinking, since with its values, it has the ability to perceive upcoming situations by designing victory strategies. Flexibility and adaptability requires radical rearrangements in the organizational structure, as the relationship with new technology is the ideal solution for producing results. It's the only way. Traditional hierarchy business structures are being broken down, and flexible networks of collaborative thinking and team spirit are empowering dynamic leaders, bringing them closer to achieving goals based on a new value framework. The possibilities of facing everyday obstacles and the prospects of solving problems as a result of a work redesign and the human-centered approach are multiplying every day. Adapting to the new demanding digital reality allows two-way interactive communication with customers, suppliers, competitors, and company staff, resulting in optimal collaboration between directorates, teams, and departments. The human-centric approach now forms the core philosophy, the main philosophy of modern business. Speed of adaptability and flexibility are the fundamental ingredients for survival the day after, for the next day. 87% of business globally believe that digitalization will bring about disruption, and only 11% of them believe that it will eventually achieve high levels of agility and adaptability. It is these businesses that will face future challenges. Resilience in the work environment, it's a valuable skill in order for employees to survive without impacting their mental health. Among the techniques to enhance resilience in work environment are the necessity of prioritizing goals at the personal level that reflects in work improvement, relaxing and decompressing work stress that aggravates stress, discovering the work rhythms and finding productive hours without working hours, neutralizing negative energy of people with difficult and peculiar behavior, daily conversation with oneself, etc. If to some extent the potential of these techniques is exploited, then the benefits of the work environment can be realized. It is mindfulness that on the one hand helps in developing the resilience of employees through emotional self-regulation, and on the other hand, it helps in the positive approach with other colleagues. This is because their non-critical attitude to a situation that arises in the company in the present time gives them the advantage of gaining time and reassessing the situation more maturely. It is certain that employees with a high level of mindfulness are more resilient to stress because they differ from others in the way they perceive and evaluate the situation, since they seek more resilient behavior. In conclusion, flexibility, adaptability, resilience, and mindfulness are, in my opinion, the driving forces behind the dominant prevailing consumer trends that will enable the entrepreneurship, the retailers, to make the big leap and come out of the current crisis. Thank you very much. Thank you.